Hi, welcome to our channel. Today, you are all going to see it is all about me. In this video, you know about my history and how to I made. Let's go. History of pencils. The pencil was invented in 1564, when a huge graphite mine was discovered in Borrowdale, Cumbria, England. The pure graphite was sawn into sheets and then cut into square rods. The graphite rods were inserted into hand-carved wooden holders, forming pencils. In 1795, the Nicolas Jacques Conti, a French officer in Napoleon's army, patented the modern method of kiln-firing powdered graphite with clay to make graphite rods for pencils. How to make pencils. Pencils are made of soft woods. Typically cedar woods, 12 to 14 years old tree, 1 red cedar, 2 white cedar. You can smell the sharp fragrance on pencils. This type of wood available at California mountains and Kenya. Pencil leads. Lead made from a mix of graphite clay and water. This mixture poured into a mold baked at 1400 degree to 1500 degree Fahrenheit. This mold compressed with 1800 pound of pressure for 1 hour until glue dries. Pencil grades. There are no universal grading system for pencils. The hardness of the pencil will vary, depending on the blend of graphite and clay. B. Blackness. H. Hardness. F. Fine point. HB. Hard black. Adding more graphite, we will get softer and blacker pencils, like 9B, 8B, 7B, 6B, 5B, 4B, 3B, 2B, B, HB. Adding more clay, we will get harder and lighter pencils, like F, H, 2H, 3H, 4H, 5H, 6H, 7H, 8H, 9H. 9B pencil 9 times blacker and softer than HB pencil. 9H pencil 9 times lighter and harder than fine point pencil. Soft pencils create dark marks. Hard pencils create lighter marks. A 9B pencil is softer than a 2B pencil. Types of pencil. Graphite pencils. Charcoal pencils. Colored pencils. Mechanical pencils. And we have more. Pencil crayons. Solid graphite pencils. Watercolor pencils. Carbon pencils. grease pencils, carpenter's pencils, plastic pencils, erasable color pencils, stenographer's pencil, non-reproducing pencils, popper point pencils, and golf pencil. We hope you are all enjoying this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.